Why do I want to play the scene from Titanic?
Quite cold.
Remember, their shrinkage when they reach a certain.
Oh no! Right now, there's nothing more than compression. Oh my god. Okay.
Patrick
Oh,
attempted
this
to
is weird.
test out the
Yeah, that's right.
Russian
There you go.
floating gear.
Try back stroke. Turn around, go, there you go. Now, go, there you are. Better?
There we go.
I'm
Better?
videoing you. I'm going to put this on YouTube.
This look, not if we do not do it first. This is actually quite comfortable.
Who would have thought?
Such a liar.
We make it to the other side. Ah. Now all I need is my
His
rifle.
anatomy shrinks up inside his body.
Evgeny will laugh at this.
It's amazing you're supposed to cross a moving river in that.
Yeah, I think you're going to have to paddle faster. Especially if somebody's after you.
There's a problem with the strap that holds you in.
Imagine, I don't think you got it on right.
Everything is quite buoyant. Except for that.
Well,
It is a success.